Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Friday, so that means that we are going to be doing the Budget Mom Challenge. Now if you are unfamiliar with that, I will link her stuff down below. And let's just get straight into it. If you have been following me, you would know that every single Friday we are putting back a certain amount of money depending on what 5-letter word that we chose. So we chose faith. Now, we are going to be stuffing tea today, but before we go ahead and stuff it, I'm just going to announce a few things. Now, next week is our last week for the January challenge for the Budget Mom, so we'll be going right into the February challenge, which is the last name challenge, and also the favorite show challenge. So we are going to be doing that, and I will go over that a little bit more next week on the last day of the January budget. But those will not start coming out on Fridays because she wants us to do it every Sunday. So I decided that we're going to do the name challenge and the favorite show challenge, or last show. Is it last show or favorite show? I think it's favorite show. Let me check. Yes, favorite show and the last name challenge. We're going to be doing that on Sunday, so be on the lookout for that. That is going to replace their grocery hauls, which I have not posted a grocery haul in a couple of weeks, but that's going to be replaced for the month of February. But anyway, so let's just get right into it. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to get to know you guys. I have gotten so many new people, and I'm so blessed about that because I absolutely love you guys. It just means the world to me. But let's just get right into it. So we are going to be stuffing the letter T today. So if you can see that, we already have, what is our balance? Oh, $16? No, 16. Yes. Yes, 16. I was like getting confused. But anyway, so we are going to be stuffing tea, which is $20. And we have $20 right here. So 20, 30, 35, and 36. So $36 is how much we have saved up right now. And I couldn't find my pink pen. So $36 is how much we are, what we have right now. And I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with this after January is done. I'll probably just set it aside. It might go towards a wedding or something in the near future. But right now it's just going to be chilling. And we're going to figure out how much we saved at the end of the year. Now, if you have seen my 52-week challenges, you would know that I love coloring in anything. So we are just going to go ahead and just color in the words that we have already done. And I literally wanted to do this because I just wanted to talk to you guys. Now, like I said, if you are new, let me know down below. I absolutely love getting to know people. Like I said, I have gotten so many new people, and they have like commented saying they were new and everything, and they absolutely love like the 52-week challenge that I do. And the Budget Moms challenges are new to me, which is fine because, you know, I love a new challenge. I have also thought about doing the 100 envelope challenge. Now, if you have seen that, that's like has blown up since TikTok, I think. I think that's the first time I saw it was on TikTok, where you took 100 envelopes and you label it 1 through 100 and you mix it up, and then every week, is it every week or every day? I think it's every week. You just pull out a number, and that is the number that you have to stuff, and you will earn a little over $5,000 in 2 years. So I'm trying to get Jared to do it so we can be done in like a year. So if you want to see that, let me know. That's going to just be a lot of challenges that we are going to be doing this year, but you know what, it's fine. But anyway, so that is it, you guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. Be sure to come back on Saturday where I'll be stuffing my videos or stuffing my sinking funds and my cash envelopes because we are getting paid. So be on the lookout for that. That usually comes out around 8 o'clock, 8 or 8:30 on Saturday. So be sure on that. And then, yeah, and then I will see you later also for the 52-week challenge. But anyways, bye you guys.